are going to love the 2021 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.